Welcome to Homework Assignment Excel Project 2B. In this spreadsheet, we see the yearly sales figures for Frosti wear glove lines. In the first step, we want to calculate the total sales for each month and region. To calculate the sales for January, we activate cell H4, click AutoSum, and see that C4 added by D4, E4, F4, and G4 is the total sales. I click enter and then I copy and paste this formula for the other month. I can do the same for the regions. I again highlight C16, go to AutoSum, see that the total sales for the regions is calculated by adding cells C4 through C15. I click enter and again copy and paste the formula for the other regions. I now want to make sure to add a thousands separator and decrease the decimals. I highlight cells C4 through H16, go to the thousand separator button, hit the button, and now decrease the decimals by 2 places. I now want to center the content in cells C3 to H3. I go to alignment and click the center button. And now in a second step, I want to format my whole table. So I choose cells B3 through H16, go to styles, format as table, and choose table style 2 in medium. Click OK, and I want to make sure to get rid of the filter function. I go to data, unclick filter, and have my formatting of the table. I now want to make sure that the header row, the first column, the last column, and the banded rows are highlighted. So I click Design under Table Tools, header rows highlighted, banded rows. I want to click first column and last column to make sure that those 2 columns are also highlighted. I now want to highlight the last row of my table, so I click B16 through H16, go to my home button, select yellow as the background color, and as a last step I want to format cells A3 through A16. I first click merge and center, then I want to align my content to have the text up. I want to make sure that it's in the middle of the cell. I now want to change the cell style. I choose accent 1, and I also want to change the font size to 18 and make the content bold. One feature I especially enjoyed learning about during this week is the different use of table and cell styles. These formatting functions are extremely helpful to improve readability and present data in a clear and understandable manner. Formatting tools help us to present data professionally and make it accessible to other users.